Go with Golding, for president. Him a demon, a Golding the people them want. So on your marks, let go.
I want to thank everyone who, with very short notice, made the effort to be here today.
A Golding the people them want. So on your marks, let go.
And we pray that under his watch, the movement may be reunited, may be renewed.
In addition to offering you my heartfelt congratulations, it is my duty and pleasure to present you with the instrument appointing you as leader of the opposition in the Parliament of Jamaica. Congratulations and best wishes in your undertaking.
I am grateful to all who had the trust and confidence in me to provide this opportunity to serve my beloved country, Jamaica, in this new role. It was with a great sense of humility that I received this instrument of appointment as leader of the opposition.
We pray that you would grant him vision, wisdom, courage, and compassion for the weak and the vulnerable.
Mr. Golding is not only Member of Parliament for St. Andrews Southern, but also an accomplished lawyer and an entrepreneur. His knowledge of the law, his business acumen, and years of service has more than prepared him to chart this course of leadership.
The opposition provides a critical check and balance to the use of state power by the government. We will seek to be constructive in our words and deeds and be fearless and unrelenting in the face of corruption or maladministration wherever it arises.
Jamaica will fulfill its true potential when, as leaders, followers, families, and individuals, we focus on our strengths, our resilience, and our capacity to care for each other.
Jamaica needs a robust and effective opposition at this time, and as a new opposition leader, it will be done. Though our numbers in Parliament are relatively small, we little but we talawa. I close by once again thanking the Governor-General for hosting this ceremony at King's House. I look forward to a constructive relationship with His Excellency, which has already started, in the best interest of the nation as we move forward. Thank you, and God bless Jamaica, land we love.